Happy Monday! How are we all doing today? I hope you're extremely well. Today in our mini training for the Social Media Mate, as I mentioned last week, I'm going to share with you how to actually upload a pre-recorded video and have it allocated to Facebook Premiere, which means that you can then schedule it as a live event. So this works really well for those people who don't like live. Maybe you like to pre-script your videos, maybe you would like to have some control around it and edit it if you make a mistake. So this is really cool. The benefit is that the person receiving the live video, the fans on your fan page, will get all the same features as a live video. So they'll get notified that you're about to go live with a pre-recorded video, and they will also get notifications and countdowns and everything like that. The beautiful thing about the Facebook Premiere live pre-recorded live video scheduling is that you can schedule 10 minutes in advance and up to a week. So for those of you that are time poor, you can create a couple of videos pre-recorded and then schedule them to go out as a live premiere video during the week. So that's really cool. I honestly can't see any downside in using this feature, except for maybe it won't get as much organic reach as what a live video will, but still you're using video, which is extremely important today. Video. You'll even notice there's things on our phones now, and I'll do another mini video about that, where we can actually watch the video of the Facebook pages that we are actually fans of, which means the people that are using video will now be up in front of your fans, whereas before they had to actually come and look at your page to see you because we had a 1% organic reach. Now it looks like, again, if you feed the monster and do what Facebook wants you to do, you'll be gratefully rewarded from Facebook. So those businesses that are using video now have the icon of your video in the news feed of the fans, which is brilliant news. But anyway, what we're going to do is pop over to the actual screen now and have a look at how you upload this Premiere video. So I'm going to use a video I recorded earlier for one of my other courses. I'm going to show you how we upload it. Then I'm going to go obviously and delete it because I don't want it on there. I don't want it. It's not the right content for my business page. So let's pop over there, shall we? Okay, here we are on my business page. So I've already pre-recorded a video, and you could have used iMovie or Windows Movie Maker or your phone or anything like that to pre-record your video. Actually gave me an idea. I should have pre-recorded the video. Take two, I'll be back. Okay, here we are back, and I've pre-recorded a video for you that will actually be uploaded into the correct place. So I want to exit that, Okay, so, hello. There. So here we are on my business page, and we're just going to upload a video that we're going to use as a premiere video to be scheduled out within the next 10 minutes. So we basically click on create a post. The video that I've created is there. I'm going to upload that as a vertical video. Describe what your video is. That's really easy. How to use Facebook Premiere to record, to upload, pre-recorded. Okay, so we've got the video there, as we can see. The way that we make the video premiere is obviously by clicking the premiere button, right? But before we do that, I just want to upload a thumbnail. So I've actually I've created a thumbnail in Canva already for this, and there it is there. It's not fitting because I did it really quickly. So we're going to use Premiere. Must give the video a title, how to use go, Premiere. So Premiere start time, I want to actually make that, it's 1:32. Why is it 1:32? It's got the wrong time. October the 1st. It's picked up the wrong time for me there. That's okay. I'm just going to 1:32. That must be, it must be in an hour's time. I'll have to work out how to actually today at 1:32. Okay, so this is actually going to be broadcast to my business page at 1:32 today. I would like to make it a little bit, it won't let me do 12. That's okay, 1:32 is fine. But see what happens here. It says tune in to watch live. So I've pre-recorded a video using the Premiere video function. It will showcase this video as a live video. And because I've recorded it on my mobile device in vertical video, it will look like a live video, which is really cool. So that's how you do it, guys. So go ahead, seek to record videos from your mobile phone, pre-recorded, even scripted, and there's a really cool app you can use for teleprompting. Let me quickly share that with you. The app is called Big VU. So Big VU is the name of the app, and I'll quickly, what I'll do is I'll screen share it and drop it into the video here so that you can see it. It's a teleprompter, so you can now script out your videos, have it on your mobile device, actually talk through it, and it looks like you're chatting and it's all scripted. Great. Thank you very much. Thank you for being part of the membership group. Don't forget to let your friends and family know how great this group is. It's such affordable training, and the monthly training this month is about how to use Google Docs, and that'll be uploaded in a week or so's time. So guys, don't forget, Friday's frequently asked questions. You got a question, pop it in there and we'll get to it. Have a great day. Bye.